Hi, my name is Emma Sullivan, and I want to be a nurse because I just have a huge passion and a huge love for caring for people. I have always felt this my entire life, but I had never really had an outlet for it. When I started working as a vet tech, it really gave me this drive because I was like, I can work in the medical setting, and I was able to put that care and that commitment and that passion into caring for my patients and the families of those patients. Through that, I learned that I wanted to do nursing, and it really just felt like such a purpose and a calling in my life, and has made me want to be a nurse. What I bring to the table is I bring compassion. I, in many cases, recently and in the past, have been the patient. I know what it's like to be the patient alone in a hospital, and sometimes it can be scary, sometimes it can be overwhelming, and sometimes it can just be a lot. But it's those nurses who are always there for you. I know the impact and the importance of a good nurse. Those nurses are always there. The doctors will come and go, but it's your nurses who are always there with you 24 hours of the day, making sure that you are taken care of. And I think that it takes an amazing nurse to be able to do that. I also bring forth to the team knowledge. Knowledge in a lot of different medical aspects. I have experience in lab settings, I have experience in radiology settings as well as surgery settings, and experience with patients and family. This comes to the table, and I think it is huge when going into a nursing career. I also have big drive and determination. Throughout my high school career, I was in and out of the hospital and fighting a lot of medical issues. But I put that aside and I fought for my education. I was able to graduate magna cum laude as well as get my associate's degree at the same time, which to me felt like such a huge accomplishment, and it really just shows that drive and determination. I also bring forth to the team empathy. In a lot of cases back in the vet world, I was there for some of the hardest days and some of the best days. I was there for the first hellos and the last goodbyes. I was there for the cures and the sad calls, and really it helped me learn to have empathy because it's your nurses who are there for you during those times. But it also helped me learn how to be empathetic, but also hold some professionalism in that, and learn the boundary and the gray space between, and just ride along it. I have made a lot of changes to my life to be able to pursue this career. I have stepped back from my full-time job as a vet tech and stepped into a PRN job for in-home vet tech work as needed. It is a lot less hours, and it gives me the ability to focus fully on my education and prioritize that. I also have a very supportive family at home, so if need be, I am more than able to completely forgo any other jobs outside of that and 100% focus on my education, because that is my priority, because that is my future. I want to thank you so much for your time and for your consideration, and thank you so much.